Hi, this is the problem 6.1 from chapter 6, Magnetostatic Fields, Elements of Electromagnetics by Sadiq, 4th edition. The problem is like this: calculate H at 3 meters, minus 6 meters, 2 meters due to a current element of length 2 millimeters located at the origin in free space that carries a current of 16 milliamperes in the positive y direction. So what we have to calculate? Magnetic field intensity, capital H. So basically this problem is based on Biot-Savart law. Biot-Savart law. First point we have to write it as this problem is based on Biot-Savart's law. So what is Biot-Savart's law? So the magnetic field intensity dH due to a current carrying conductor of length dl is, so very simple formula, dH is equal to IDL cross product with AR by 4 pi R square. So we use this formula, IDL cross AR by 4 pi R square. So remember that this into is a cross product. So since this is a cross product, so AR is unit vector. So ideal is also a vector quantity, because A cross B, this term has to be vector and this term has to be vector because this is cross product. Now what is the given information? Let us put the given information. So the given information is that it is given a small current element, say ideal. What it is given? It is given that it is carrying a current, say let us say the current is carrying in the say positive y direction. Since it is given positive y direction, the current is taken as unit vector AY. So we want to find out dH because of this ideal, because of the current flowing through this small length dl, a magnetic field is produced around it. So we want to find out magnetic field intensity because of this. So where this differential current element is located? It is located at origin. So we want to find out H at, so which point? 3, minus 6, 2. So we want to find out DH at this location. So therefore let us find out first the unit vector R bar between these 2 points and the unit vector in between these 2 points. So therefore the points are 0, 0, 0 towards 3, minus 6, 2. The directional vector is 3ax minus 6ay plus 2az. The magnitude is 3 square 9 plus minus 6 square 36 plus 4, which comes out 7. So what is the unit vector? AR is nothing but as R bar by R. So which is given as 3ax minus 6ay plus 2az by 7. Now substitute here one more parameter we have to take, IDL, because it is a vector. So we have to take IDL because it is carrying a current in the positive y direction. You have to take the unit vector as AY. So let us substitute all these things. So ideal, substitute this, and AR, substitute this, R7, substitute this in this Biot-Savart's formula. You will get the final answer as, so therefore DH, the differential magnetic field intensity, because ideal, what is ideal? We have to take IDL AY because the current is flowing in the positive y direction it is given. What is the unit vector? R bar by r. So that is 3ax minus 6ay plus 2az by 4 pi r square 7 square 49 into r bar by r, which is 7. In this formula, what is the given information? The given information is the current. What is the current flowing through this conductor? The current flowing through this conductor is given as 16 milliamperes, and the length of the section is given as 2 mm. Substitute these parameters in this equation. So therefore, dH is equal to I is 16 into 10 power minus 3. What is this differential length dl? 2 into 10 power minus 3. So take this cross product inside. Ay cross ax is minus az. So minus 3az. So ay cross ay is 0 plus ay cross az is ax. So therefore this is written as 2ax by 4 pi into 49 into 7. So from this, the magnetic field intensity will come out as 14.85 AX minus 22.27 AZ. What is the unit of magnetic field intensity? Ampere per meter. So this is the very simple question which is based on Biot-Savart law. This is the answer for this problem, where we have to substitute dl, which is given as 2 mm. We have to substitute I is given because it is a vector. The current is given as positive y direction. We have to take ay. Ideal is taken as ideal ay, and we have to find out the unit vector in between this differential current element and the given point. Let us find out this vector and substitute in this equation. Finally, we will get the answer for this problem as 14.85 AX minus 22.7 AZ. In fact, nano ampere per meter. So the unit is 10 power 9 nano ampere per meter, because 10 power minus 3 from the denominator we will get one more 10 power minus 3, it will become 10 power minus 9. So therefore nano ampere per meter. So this is the answer for this problem. Thank you.